My family thought of Ireland as a green paradise, mother of heroes, where golden people sprang full-flowered from the sod. Only kings and heroes came from this holy island. And at the very top of the glittering pyramid was our family. This is my quest, to reconnect with my Northern Irish ancestry.
This is where it all began, across the ocean in this green land. I need to understand the story.
Crossing the Atlantic Ocean 200 years ago was incredibly dangerous.
Over 2 million migrants left this small province to cross the Atlantic.
Well, the problem is they were going into the unknown. They were about to undertake a perilous voyage.
You would never again be standing on Irish soil. That you would never see your family, your friends, your neighbours, the green fields of home, starvation, piracy, shipwrecks, storms. That takes courage.
Theodore Roosevelt once said that the Scots-Irish were the kernel of the distinctively and intensely American stock, the pioneers of our people.
The Scots-Irish provided presidents, industrialists, bankers, leaders in commerce.
It's really hard to identify an area of modern American life that wasn't touched upon.
The American Declaration of Independence was printed by men from Northern Ireland.
Just to see this name here, to know what he went through.
It's emotional, sort of a personal pilgrimage.
Discovering my roots, piecing together my family tree. It's been a dream. And then the people, the food, and the culture. Northern Ireland is a kindred land.
It's strange to go to a place that you've never been before and feel such an overwhelming sense of home.